I don't say your name out loud, but it lingers in the sound of every quiet moment here. You still appear. I don't need to reach your hand or pretend you understand every feeling that I hide. I just keep it locked inside. You're a part I won't erase, just a memory I embrace. Not a wound, not a scar, just a quiet part of my heart. If I see you once again, I'll just smile like a friend. I'll keep you in silence when no one can find us. Not in pain, not in tears, just in quiet years. I don't need you to stay or to hear what I would say. I just let it live inside without goodbye. Every word I never said still echoes in my head, but I've learned to let it be, just a part of me. I don't chase what's not mine, I don't cross that broken line. Some love isn't meant to show, it just learns to grow. If tomorrow takes you far, you'll still be where you are. I'll keep you in silence where no one can find us. Not in pain, not in tears, just in quiet years. I don't need you to stay or to hear what I would say. I just let it live inside without goodbye. Silence, you stay. I don't say it anymore, like I did so much before. But there's something in my chest that never really left. Every time I hear your name, I pretend it feels the same, like it doesn't move a thing deep under my skin. I've learned how to play it cool, like I've got nothing to lose. But the truth I never show, Every night I let it go. Every morning I still know there's a part I couldn't free that still holds on to we. I don't chase you anymore. I don't knock on your door, but I never really closed what we almost were. If tomorrow brings you near, I won't show you what I feel. But if you ever come back, I'll still be where you left. Even if I say I'm fine, you still cross my mind. If you ever changed your way and came back one day, I don't know what I would do, but I'd still choose you. I moved on, but not all the way. If you ever come back, if you ever come back. There's a place where I disappear. I've been walking through the dark, trying to find where you are. Every step just feels the same, calling out a ghostly name. Empty streets and broken lights, silent echoes in the night. I can hear my heart beat slow, but I've got nowhere left to go. If I fall into the deep,